Lenovo's ThinkSystem DS series storage delivers easy-to-use, affordable, SAN-attached storage and provides breakthrough performance and scale at best-in-class pricing. Today, we'll take a look at the DS series storage management console and some of the day-to-day operational tasks that I might want to perform. Recall that in our first video, we showed the home screen that depicts the two controllers, dual active controllers A and B, along with the storage, the RAID arrays or disk groups that are assigned to the pool for each controller. So here for controller A, we have a pool that consists solely of enterprise class drives in the green. That's 10K spinning drives. And in pool B, for controller B, we have actually two disk groups, one of which is green, an 8+1 RAID array of 10K drives, and the second disk group, which is a RAID 1 array of SSDs. I can get a closer view of those if I select the pools view on the left, and then I can perform various tasks on my disk pools. Here I can see, again, pool A and pool B. And if I highlight pool A, I can see the single disk group within that pool. And if I click on that disk group itself, I can see the individual disks that make up that disk group. Here again, this is an 8+1 RAID array of 10K spinning drives. In pool B, we saw that there are two disk groups. The first, again, being an 8+1 RAID array of spinning drives, and the second being that set of the two SSDs. So one of the basic tasks that I might wish to perform is to add another disk group into a pool. I select pool A, click Add Disk Group, and here I have the dialog that would walk me through adding that disk group to the pool. I can name the disk group. I can choose the type of RAID that I want. Here let's select RAID 1. Make sure that I'm assigning it to the pool I intend, and then I can select my two additional SSDs that I have in the enclosure and simply click Add. So this now creates the second disk group and adds it into pool A. Now that that disk group has been added, I can actually go back and see that pool A now also has the RAID 1 array of an additional two SSDs. Once I have created my pools, then the next thing I would want to do is create volumes from those pools. I can do that either from this screen, the pool screen, with the drop down from the action bar, or I can go to the volumes page and create volumes from there. If I select create volumes, then again I can name my volume. Let's call it demo volume. Select a size. Select which pool it's going into, and I actually have the capability to add multiple rows here if I want to create multiple volumes at a time. Let's just create one for now. And now I'll be able to see that appear in my list momentarily. Here is a list then on this volume screen of the volumes I've already created. And again, I can perform various tasks on those. If I select one of these volumes here, the one called External Vol 1, I can see that I've already created a snapshot from that volume, and that I've also already mapped that volume to some hosts. So those are some examples of tasks I might wish to perform. I can do that by selecting the volume, say Create Snapshot. I can even create schedules for snapshots if I like, so that I could repetitively take snapshots every day, every hour, whatever I might choose. Finally then, I can map this volume to a host. I come down here and select Map Volume, and I'm shown the mapping screen from which I can choose a number of initiators that I want to map to that volume. And then I simply say Map, and the mapping will be completed. Those are some of the basic tasks I would perform, possibly on a daily basis. And in our subsequent videos, we'll look in some more detail at other things I might want to do.